Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix please wait few minutes before you try again in Instagram. This kind of error occur when you try to log in Instagram again and again. Then I will tell you how you can fix that error. First of all, you have to simply click on settings. In setting you have to scroll down and you have to click on general. In general, what you have to do is you have to simply click on iPhone storage. In your iPhone storage you have to search for Instagram. If you scroll down, then you can easily find Instagram app. Here what you have to do, you have to simply offload the Instagram app. If you click on offload app, then your Instagram app will be refreshed. After that, what you have to do, you have to go back and you have to click on date and time. Here you have to click on set automatically. Here you have to check that set automatically toggle on is on. After that, you have turned on the toggle. What you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to click on App Store. In App Store you have to search for Instagram app. Here you have to check whether your Instagram is updated or not. As you can see, your Instagram has been already updated, so you have to go back and check whether your problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can log in your Instagram account after a few hours, because the error is saying you have to wait for a few minutes, as after a few hours your Instagram account will be logged in again and your error will be fixed. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.